Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. Today we are headed to Dollar Tree, and I found some new arrivals and returns that I could not wait to share with you guys. So let's dive in. So when I headed into Dollar Tree, I headed straight for the new fall arrivals. Check these out. These are pumpkin shaped salt and pepper shakers. These are so cute. And if you didn't want to use them for that, they're perfect for tiered tray decor as well. They also have a bunch of paper napkins and plates and all kinds of fall inspired designs, all for $1.50, including these large serving trays. I love these large plastic serving trays. If you guys have been watching my channel, last week I posted a short creating decor with these little serving trays and platters, so you definitely want to go and check that out. They're just $1.50. Also, these are new as well. Look at these beautiful glasses. So I love this little short one, perfect for beverages or even an ice cream sundae. And it has a nice little swirl design. Now, if you want a taller one, like for milkshakes, they do have this one as well. These just arrived at the store and these are $1.50. So if you're looking for a glass type of container or jar for your kitchen, definitely check this one out too. They have some new pot holders and oven mitts. I haven't seen these before and I only saw them at one store. They have pot holders, oven mitts, the dish towels, the mini pot holders in assorted different designs if you love black and white or black and gray. And also you could choose to get them with or without the writing. So make sure you check those out. Very great asset to your kitchen. Now in the home decor, they have these bottles. I've seen some of these before, but they are restocked. You can get the ones with the corks at the top, or you could get the ones that look like that nice little knob, that glass knob at the top. But either way, these would be great for putting all kinds of things in. In the floral department, they have new vases. These are all fall inspired. So you can see they have that frosted effect on them. You could get them in that burgundy red. They even have like a chocolate brown color. You want that orange color inspired for fall. They do have that rustic orange and also a dark olive green. And they all have that nice frosted finish on them. These are $1.75. I also spotted these, and these are $1.25. These are metal buckets. I have not seen these this year. So they have the white metal bucket with gold trim painted on there. They also have a black one with gold trim. Now, if you're not a fan of the painting, these can definitely be DIY'd and painted or covered any way that you want to. Great deal for a metal item for $1.25. Over in the craft section, I was excited to see these bottles back. So they have these mini glass cork bottles. They have them, the larger ones, in all kinds of sizes. The larger ones are a 6 count. The 7 count is the medium size. And then if you want the tiny little bottles, they do have those in a 6 count. Now we have seen these in like an amber color for Halloween, but if you're unable to find them, you could customize these as well. Also in the craft section, look what else they have. They have new Delta paints inspired by fall and Halloween. Look at these colors. So they have the orange, green, purple, and black. Perfect colors if you want to make something for fall or Halloween inspired. They also have 2 colors that are glitter, which are the orange and the purple. So they all together, they did have 6 colors to choose from for $1.25. More fabric has arrived, so my heart did leap a little bit. These are flannel prints and they have more of a animal boho type of vibe to them. So they have animal prints, they do have some solids, they have some stripes with multiple designs on them. I think these would be so cute for baby housewarming, or not housewarming, but baby shower kind of gifts. I think that these would be perfect for that. And it comes with an assortment of prints that can go for a boy or a girl. Look at this one with the arches, very boho inspired, all for just $1.25. They also have new yarn. The Red Heart yarn in the CraftDee's line has arrived at the Dollar Tree. Now, I only saw the white and the black, but these have 93 yards from the Yarnspirations collection. Now, I'm unsure if they do have any more, but I will be on the lookout, and if they do, I will feature them in the next video. Now these are neat. These are storage cubes. Now we've seen something similar, but this one definitely has been beefed up. So it has not only the zipper and the mesh, but it has those clickable straps on there. Now these are large too. They're about 13.5 by 11. You could use these for packing cubes for your travel, or you could just use them for storage as indicated by the label. But I love that these are now available and you could get them in 2 different colors for $1.25. Hopping over to health and beauty, they have new scented hand sanitizers for fall. So this one here is a pumpkin scented hand sanitizer. Now they also have this one. This is a ginger citrus hand sanitizer for the fall. And then the last one is sugar cookie. Now keep in mind, if you have the little square hand sanitizer pump containers, they can be refilled. So if you want to continue using that container, just refill them with these scents. They also have these portable soap sheets as well. These are a returning item. They sold out so quickly the first time. I love that they have multiple scents, so you can get them in coconut, fresh, and lavender. And they also have the little clip on the side where you can clip them to a handbag or a book bag. And there's 20 soap sheets per container. Did you know that Dollar Tree now has the micellar cleansing water? I have no idea that they did have them now in the Dollar Tree brands that they carry, but they do have that in an 8-ounce bottle. Also, I did find a couple of new global beauty care brands. This is the Jade Gel Cream Moisturizer. I've never seen that before. Also, the Citrine Facial Cleanser. I haven't seen that either. So these are 2 new global beauty care items that I spotted in health and beauty. Pop Sugar has come out with some bath enhancers. I've never seen this. So these are little packets. You can get them Nourish with coconut and jojoba, Play with rose and lang lang, Glow with the vitamin C, Relief with peppermint, and Dream with lavender and melatonin. These little fake eyelash containers can be used for so much more than eyelashes. I thought about putting small pairs of earrings or studs in there just to keep them safe. So always think of multi-purpose uses for items. Now this was new too. I have never seen that. This is by Must Have Beauty. This is a mini LED plug-in lamp used for curing your gel nail strips. Now next to it, they have a bunch of the semi-cured gel nail sets available in multiple colors. So whether you wanted to go for a natural kind of look with pinks or the French tips, or you like to go for more of a pink natural or even a darker one, do some blacks and some purple ombres. They had a bunch of them. Now in this collection, I did find 6 different gel nail varieties, but I'm not sure if that's all of them. But if you found more, let me know in the comments below. But I think this is great. All of these are $1.25 a piece, so you can get the curing machine and the nails for all $1.25 a piece. If you're still on the hunt for some Halloween kitchen decor items, I have hit the mother lode in all of the Halloween items for the kitchen. Now they did have these oven mitts in multiple different designs. Some of these returning and some of these are new, but whatever your vibe is when it comes to Halloween, I'm sure there's something that'll go along with your decor, whether you wanted witches or you wanted haunted houses. They do have the Halloween colors, your orange, your black, your white, your purple, some greens. If you wanted ghosts and goblins or haunted houses, they have a variety of all of these. Check out this one with the little ghosts on there that says, "Hey Boo." I think that these are just so really cute. Now keep in mind when using these, you really don't want to use them in anything over 400 degrees because these are not the thickest, but they are super cute if you want to decorate your kitchen or have very lightweight use for these oven mitts. Now look at these. They have little items on there that you can always match with other things in your kitchen. Now check out these Hey Boo towels that matches that oven mitt. They also have a lot of hand towels that match all the pieces. I think that all of these sets are going to be coordinated. Now availability will vary by store, so you just want to make sure. Now if you are into the El Dia de los Muertos, they did have those, or the candy skulls. They have those types of towels and decor as well blended in. Now, here are the pot holders. Now, one thing I can say about Dollar Tree, their pot holders do come in a 2-pack compared to like Dollar General. Even though Dollar General's pot holders are just $1, they're sold $1 a piece, but they're 2-packs at Dollar Tree for just $1.50 for all of these items. So definitely check those out if you're looking for something with a Halloween inspired vibe, or basically any year round, because you're going to find these in 2-packs at the Dollar Tree. And again, make sure you find all the matching sets because they will vary by store. Whether you wanted the trucks, check it out, the trucks with the spooky pumpkins and skulls. You can get the skeleton hand. They had a bunch of them at this particular store, but checking around at other stores, you can find a lot of them here and there. So make sure you just check multiple stores, and that way you get the best variety and have the very best chance of finding all of these items that coordinate into a collection. Now, this was a random item hanging on the end cap. This is those mini brands items. You ever see those mini refrigerators and it has many versions of brand food? Well, this is a mystery pack with one of those brand foods inside. I've seen people go crazy on this over on TikTok, and they have them at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it'll have a mystery brand food item in that pack. So if you want to collect these or want to start, check your Dollar Tree. They may have them for $1.25. The only item in the food section I found on this trip is this Classico sun-dried pesto. I was actually surprised to see this because we all know pesto can be very expensive. But when I did look online in comparison, I did find it there for $4.49, but it's only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, so make sure you check the Dollar Tree first. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to feature. The first, this gorgeous metal lantern piece. So this is a metal framed gift box with a bow with a glass insert. This is glass on the inside. This is for your candles. And check it out. They have 2 different sizes. Here's the even taller one. So you have a shorter one for $3 and the taller one for $5. And when I did compare them side by side, you can see the difference in height. Definitely beats Michael's Hobby Lobby for this item for a metal and glass decor. They also came out with a new candle collection, which I'm excited about. Cashmere vanilla, autumn cranberry, and honey crisp cider. First of all, these jars are absolutely gorgeous. I love that. But these are $5. Now, if you wanted the $3 ones, they had them in a metal tin with all the same fragrances included. So you can choose from this $3 version or the $5 jar version. Now, I thought these were gorgeous as well. Look at this jar. So this is a candle as well. Now, the scent on this one is white sandalwood with a double wick. They have that one in a clear glass. And if you wanted kind of a tinted smoky blue glass, they have this one as well. And this is amber pomegranate. I think these are great. And when you burn down the candle, you can reuse these glasses for all kinds of things. At another store, I found this one. This one is brewed bourbon. So yes, they have this one in kind of an amber kind of color. I think that that one is really pretty too. So make sure you look out for these for $5. I found new water bottles as well. I've never seen this. So this one is a metal water bottle with a 2-way twist off. This is nice because this is a double-walled water bottle and it comes in multiple colors. And I love the accent at the top with the gold lid. That's something different I've never seen at Dollar Tree. I also found this metal tray hidden back there and I've never seen this. This will go great with that bead collection, but this is solid metal with little ball feet on the bottom. This is $3. And of course, if you're not a fan of the gold color, you can paint it any color your heart desires. I did find this food item in the plus section. This is a 10-pack of Hare's popcorn. You get 10 bags for $5. Now, if you don't want just the popcorn, you can get a variety pack with the chips, sour cream, cheese curls, and the popcorn for $5. And when I did look online, they're selling for $5.98 at Walmart. So save that 98 cents and get them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm happy to say that the buckets are back. These are those with those buckets with the ringer basket on them. They have changed the labeling, but it's the same quality bucket, and I hope you find these. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope that you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.